Parenting is hard and messy. In a normal parenting, 70% of the time parents make mistakes. And often I have seen and noticed that very loving, caring, well intended parents may hit their child, may slap their child in the moments, may say mean things or very hurtful things to their child. And they know that these are wrong, but it hasn't happened over and over, and that might be creating a lot of shame and guilt to parents. So I just want to tell parents that there is no ideal parent exists. We make mistakes, and as I said, the 70% of the time actually we make mistakes. So as long as we are repairing it, what the repair means that after that mishap happened, after you mess up, after you said all those many things, you just go to your child and just ask them, just tell them, I think I didn't handle that situation well, didn't I? And then apologize to them and ask them, how we can make it better. And tell them, sometimes it's hard for you to, control your anger. And that means you should not have said those things, but you said it and you want to apologize and you want to do it better. When it happened again, apologize again. So as long as these repair in the relationship is happening, these hitting, saying mean things might not have long-lasting impact, negative impact on the child's mind.